A black hole, hidden for millions of years, just woke up and consumed a star. The James Webb Space Telescope saw it when no other telescope could. This wasn't supposed to be visible. The event took place deep inside a galaxy covered in cosmic dust, completely hidden from our eyes. But the James Webb Space Telescope has changed the rules. It captured what no one expected: a silent, dormant black hole briefly coming to life, just long enough to devour a passing star. And the way it was discovered is as fascinating as the event itself. Black holes don't glow. They don't emit light. Most of the time, they're invisible, especially if they aren't actively pulling in matter. But when a star gets too close, the black hole's gravity tears it apart, forming a hot disk of gas around it. This process is called a tidal disruption event. For a short period, the black hole becomes visible through intense bursts of energy, X-rays, ultraviolet, and visible light. But here's the catch. If the black hole is buried in thick dust, that light can't escape. It gets absorbed, so most of these rare events go unnoticed by traditional telescopes. That's where the James Webb Space Telescope changes everything. Unlike older telescopes that rely on visible or ultraviolet light, Webb sees in infrared. And that's important, because when cosmic dust absorbs the light from a tidal disruption event, it heats up. That heat doesn't disappear. It gets re-emitted as infrared radiation. And that's exactly what the James Webb Space Telescope is built to detect. In other words, it doesn't need to see the event directly. It can sense the heat left behind, even through walls of dust. Researchers at MIT had already found strange heat signals in archived infrared data, 12 of them. They suspected something powerful had happened in those galaxies, but couldn't prove it. With the James Webb Space Telescope, they zoomed in on 4 of those sites. And what they found confirmed their suspicions. The chemical signatures matched the pattern of a star being torn apart, gas being flung outward, dust glowing from sudden heat, energy readings that lined up with a black hole briefly coming to life. But this wasn't just any black hole. These were long, dormant black holes, completely hidden, caught waking up for the first time in who knows how long. For years, scientists believed we were missing entire categories of cosmic events just because we couldn't see through dust. The James Webb Space Telescope just proved that theory right. It's now uncovering a hidden universe, one where black holes quietly shape galaxies from the shadows. This gives researchers a brand new way to study the universe, not by looking for light, but by following the heat. And with every new discovery, we're reminded that even in silence, the universe is speaking. We just needed the right tool to listen.